Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time watching, thank you for joining us. Okay, and so today look at what has come through for me. I actually went and picked this up from the T-Mobile store. So this is the Apple Watch, and so glad to be presenting this to you guys tonight. Let me just open this up. Okay, it looks like that's coming off easy enough. All right. Okay, and then let's get this open. They have this packaged so well with the latches on here. Okay, one moment. Try not to tear up the box. Oh, look, guys. The box has watches. It's pictures of watches. This is a really neat box. This is a very good box design. I like this. Okay, and so in this box, it looks like this is the watch face. Okay, so and then this box here has the band that you insert or snap on. So we're going to put this together. Let me see if there's anything else in the bag. Nope, there's nothing else in there. Okay. This is just so nice. I really like this design. Okay. So this is how this comes, guys. The Apple Watch. This is the Apple Watch SE. Okay, so we're opening this up now. Okay, now right here on the cover it says this is made in California. So it lets you know right there. Designed by Apple in California. Okay. And then, so don't forget to read your other inserts. It's going to give you quite a bit of information. And it says, open your band box, follow the steps to attach your band to the Apple Watch, put on your Apple Watch, press and hold the side button to turn it on, open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone to set up your device, and to charge, magnetically attach the charger to the back of the case. So it kind of just gives you a quick 1, 2, 3 directions on here, and you can definitely follow those to get this watch set up. Now, guys, we are setting this up together for the first time. So yeah, so just we'll just help each other out here, and definitely leave your comments in the description box below. Okay, and then on the other side, it says swipe up for control center, touch and hold the display to change or share your watch face. And it's telling you about your digital crown on this pamphlet, and it's talking about the side button. So you're going to read all of this information for your reading pleasure, so that you can know exactly what you're getting and what you're doing. Now, this is so tiny. I can't believe how tiny the writing is on this. So make sure you have some magnifying glass or something to read this, because it is extremely tiny, guys. Okay, so we're going to put that away. And now here is the cord. This is the cord that's contained in here. The cord that goes to that a magnetic charger. So with the watch, you put it on the back of the watch here, and it's got a little groove right here that fits so perfectly into the back of the watch face. So all you have to do is magnetically let that watch attach to this cord, and it's going to fit right. If you have an Apple iPhone already, it's going to fit perfectly right in there, because that's the same connection that to charge the watch. And then here's a close-up, and see how it has that little circular groove right there. So that's going to fit right onto the back of your watch. Okay, now here is the watch itself. This is the back, and it actually looks like a little diamond in there, but that's the part that rests on the top of your wrist, on the top side of your wrist to take all your measurements, your breathing, your heart rate, your temperature, all that type of stuff. And guys, even if you fall down, that little sensor there is gonna actually help you and call for help. I seen that in the iPhone commercial. So this is a unique piece. It's a very good thing to have, guys. So go ahead and grab yourself one. And so there's some options here for you to set up your watch. Just follow along with these little tiny directions as best you can. And all you have to do is slide the band in there until you hear a click, and then slide the band on the other side, and then you have it attached. And then and that's pretty much it as far as putting the watch together. And so for the watch band, let's take a look. Just need to figure out how to get this open. Okay. Yes, it says it's a sports band. So, okay. Let's try to get in here. Just read the little directions on the back of what it's saying. Okay. Take a good look. All right, it has a little string that you pull down here to get this open. So let's see if we're going to get this open. Just one moment, guys. Bear with me. This is sealed very, very well. Well, it shouldn't be. There we go. Okay, so we're in, guys. We're in. So let's go ahead and see what's going on with this. Okay, and then here's some more directions. It's just telling you to attach the band, slide it until you hear a click. Adjust band to fit close to your wrist for optimal performance. And to remove band, press button and slide out. So it's giving you directions how to put the band on and how to take the band off. And so this is really neat, guys. They automatically give you 2 different sizes. They have medium, large, or small, medium. So it looks like the small medium is a little bit shorter than the medium large. So it just depends on your wrist size, because even though they do have a ladies model for the iWatch, nowadays everybody, ladies can wear the like the men's watch, because some ladies like a larger watch face. Then the ladies iWatch is a little on the small side. So if you're the type of lady that likes to have a large face, then go ahead and grab the one that's designed for the men, because it's just a larger watch face. And then this is flexible. All right, this is very flexible, and I could and there's a little sensor right here. So this watch has sensors, guys. So make sure that you are putting the watch on close to your wrist, close to the back of your wrist, and get your proper measurements. So yeah, you could definitely see the length on the small medium compared to the medium large, but then you only get one of the the other end that you attach. So we're gonna go with this size here, and let's go ahead and put this on. Okay, and here we go. Now, when I was in the store, the representative was telling me that if you are left-handed or right-handed, they have programmed the watch before you leave the store to be right hand or left hand, and then that way it's gonna, if you're left-handed, you're gonna be able to feel comfortable with being able to read it and use your left hand. And same with if you're right hand. So see there, it's on real tight, guys. It's not coming off. So yeah, let's slide in the other end. Now also, guys, in the settings, you can because I didn't have the representative adjust mine because I wanted to open the box on my own. So he said that you could definitely go into the settings or like the general settings. And if you want left hand side or right hand side, you can choose it there. So that was a good thing. So there we go, guys. It's on really tight. It's not coming off. It's snapped on, so it locked in place. So this watch is going to be secure and fits your wrist perfectly. So whether it's right hand or left hand, just kind of put that on there to suit you, because you know, that's how this is designed. I thought that was really neat because most watches just come standard. You know, you just put it on the right or the left. But with the digital iWatch here, I guess the orientation of the screen, oh goodness, okay, it's I guess I have to get used to this. Okay, the orientation of the screen can actually be moved around, and I thought that was so neat. So let's see here. I'm going to have to get this on. And guys, don't be concerned about if you like the watch band that comes with your watch, because you know what? You can always go, you see there, and make sure that it's not too tight, but make sure it's tight enough so that the back of that reader can get a good reading for you for your heart rate and your temperature and all that kind of stuff. So not too tight, but definitely tight enough to get a good reading. And so I was saying, for if you want to change this sport band, you can definitely order another band from Amazon, or you can go to T-Mobile or Apple. You can go and order you another type of band, because they slide right off and on, so you can change it. And you don't have to accept or be stuck with the band that comes with the watch. So let's just take a look at what's going on with this watch. It's just giving you directions on how to finish setting it up. So it's real simple, real easy. It's just telling you to tap on the center, and then it's working. It's doing its thing, guys. So just follow the directions on screen, and then it's going to set itself up. And it only takes a few minutes. And then also, guys, as soon as you get a chance, make sure you fully charge your watch so that it doesn't go out on you right in the middle of exercising or walking or trying to get your readings together for the day. So yeah, I'm just going to follow the little directions on here. I know this is so tiny you can't see it, but it just is telling you to click on things, and then there's done. So you click on that, and then you are pretty much all set up, guys. So, and then that's pretty much it for that. So now the thing of it is, now this is a pro tip, guys. you can, don't be afraid to order the model watch that's right below the newest one, because you're going to save $100, maybe even $200 on getting the previous model watch. And then, you know what, if you start off like that, getting the previous model watch, oh, there's the face, so nice. Okay, I followed directions, and this is the it's a digital watch, but it has an analog face on it. So it's all set up now, guys. But anyway, yeah, if you get the previous model, you're going to save $100, maybe up to $200. And it's an Apple Watch. They all look the same. You can't tell which model it is. You know, just like some of these cars and these automobiles for you guys. You know, they have a new model every year, but you can't tell the year because they're all designed the same. It's like that, guys. And I'm just clicking on things, guys. I'm just so amazed at how tiny this watch is. And it reminds you of the phone, but only everything is so tiny and compact. So I'm not even going to try to show you guys because it's just so tiny. We would just have this all up in the screen here. So yeah, go ahead and get the previous model instead of getting the absolute newest model sometimes, and you can save money. Or if you just have to have the latest and the greatest, go ahead and do that. And so guys, I would like to thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the description box below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And you have a wonderful rest of your day.